And welcome back. Well, you just saw that ad for Brilliant Smile, and they've been with us for quite a while. Well, we have the dentist from there and the owner of Brilliant Smile, Dr. Famu. Nice to see you again. It's been a while since you've been on, and you brought along a patient, Rhea France. Nice to meet you.
Thank
She
you.
was so enthusiastic, she came here yesterday. She was a day early, but we said, we'll get you on tomorrow. And it's a pleasure to have you here. Doctor, it's been a while since you've been on here. We see your ads quite often. You are located not far from here, Lake Forest Drive, and right over here on Laguna Hills. It's not far.
Very close to Gate 6.
And you've been here, you've been in that location for several years now.
Almost 7 years now.
So you've built up quite a good reputation here. I know people have talked about you before. People have gone over there, and they really like just the way you handle everything over there, your personality, and you have a very individualized way of with all your patients. And we've heard about that a lot, and over the years that you've been advertising with us. And it's a pleasure to actually have you here, because I know it's been a while. Well, you brought Rhea on because a while back you had some sort of an accident and your front teeth.
In the parking lot at Clubhouse 2 at night. It was about 9 o'clock at night. I tripped over one of the dividers.
Yeah, oh.
And
wow.
my teeth came out in the front and came through my lip. And so I was a big mess, to put it.
Yeah, well, we have a picture here. And we can see there, and yeah, it's a
wanna
little
look
hard
at
to
it.
work at. It's a little hard to look at.
Oh, no.
But, you know, we want to see how the doctor was able to fix you up. Also, you know, did you need any stitches on your lips or anything like that because your teeth went through?
No, but I think no, I didn't need stitches.
Okay, well, that's good. But, doctor, tell me, Rhea came in to see you. Were you already a patient?
No.
So
A neighbor had used doctor and recommended her.
well, that's the best way to find a new dentist for sure. So Rhea comes in, and what is the first thing you're looking at, what you need to assess, and what was the work that needed to be done for her?
Actually, I have to tell you, it was a very sad day when I saw her coming to my office with pain and this situation. And first thing that I said that, what happened and what can I do for you? And she told me that about an accident, actually what happened in the parking lot. And we just, you know, put everything together, a treatment plan for her right away, you know, waited a couple days for her lips to heal. And we started with the front teeth, you know, just to be restored. I treatment plan that all the front teeth, they need to be decrowned because they were broken, they were cracked, and they needed protection, and we covered them all with crowns, as you can see.
Yeah,
And,
they look beautiful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
and
So those are the teeth with the crowns on them?
with the crowns
Okay,
on them.
all right.
And then later on, months later, she was constantly complaining about losing dentures because she had like a removable appliance to replace her missing teeth in the back, and she was complaining about that, and she said, how can I go to a permanent option? And what we did, we just offered, you know, different type of dentures, new dentures that we have in the market, and the permanent option, which is implant. And she decided to go with an implant option, and I'm glad that she did that, and I guess she's very happy about those.
Well, I lost 2 partials. I mean, just lost one in a garbage can, whatever it is.
Okay.
And it's marvelous
Yeah, you
for
have
anybody
to
who
worry
needs
about it,
them.
right?
I don't have to worry about them. You know, and it really is a wonderful thing to have.
And how was the procedure? Was it comfortable for you when it was done? You know, when the
It
implant
was
procedure
a
was
long
done?
process. It is a long process.
In her
And
case, yes.
Okay.
Because it was bilateral, it was left side and right
Okay.
side, and it was longer than the other usual. And it was a lot of extractions involved that I had to do. So
Okay.
waiting period, bone grafting, you know, it was a longer process for her. But usually the implant process is about 2.5 months after placement. So we place the implant, and 2.5 months later we restore it, and we just put the crown on. In her case, it was just like a complicated case. That's why she's here, just to say that the end result was perfect, and she's very happy.
But one of the things I was thinking about what to discuss today, the convenience of having her so close. because I spent a lot of time in the dental office.
Mm-hmm.
So having her close by was very important for me.
Yeah, and that's a convenience to have her here. And obviously, you heard about her from a neighbor of yours, from a friend of yours.
I got a couple of calls after she presented to my office from her kids. She has, all the families are, I think, doctors. And I got calls from all the doctors, who you are, what are you doing, what's
really?
the plan? Oh, yeah.
So your kids are doctors, huh?
A cardiac anesthesiologist, an OB/GYN, and an ophthalmologist. But what I need is a good lawyer.
Well, you know, Dr. Fairmoon is very good at dentistry. I don't know about helping with law, but, you know, who knows? But this is, you know, what we've heard about you, as I said, for quite a while is the word of mouth that people have. No pun intended, but that how good you run your operation, but really how caring you are for everyone. I've heard that for years about you.
Thank you.
Speaking of caring, you often go on trips to help kids in different countries, in poor nations. Here we have a picture. You were over in Nepal this year, and you go with a group of dentists, correct?
Yes, from all over the world. So there is an organization called Global Dental Relief. They're contacting the dentists all over the world, from Canada, US, even the third world countries also.
Mhm.
So they gather us, and we just go together. We helped 859 kids in this trip.
Wow.
And I'm very proud of that, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yes.
How many dentists in all?
5 dentists.
And you helped that many people? How long were you there?
6 working days.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just
Yeah.
mind-boggling. You're each doing
Yeah.
well over 100 kids, and that is,
Yeah,
wow.
859 kids. Very successful trip, and we actually achieved a lot more than what they expected this time.
You're looking at them that probably maybe have not gone to dentists before. You're
Never.
doing a basic checkup, and
These are the
we s-
charts that they have.
I bet they were.
Yeah.
You know, they're cute kids. It
Yes,
must have been
very
just so
cute kids,
rewarding.
yeah.
And did you do any mountain climbing where you were in Nepal? I mean, they are known for that.
Yeah, I know that. No, I skipped that.
All right. And next year in February, you're going to do the same thing over in Vietnam,
In
right?
Vietnam, yes.
Is it the same group of tennis? Did you belong to like a?
We don't know till the day arrives.
They come from different countries?
Yes. And I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to
And you've done
going
this
to
for a
that.
few years, or was Nepal the first
This
one?
is the first one that I've done. That's why I decided I will go every year now.
I bet it was both overwhelming, but also
It was
extremely rewarding.
very overwhelming, but at the end, very good result. I'm very happy with myself.
Yeah, I'm just amazed that many kids in that short amount of days that you all were able to help.
Yeah.
Well, if you need some help with your teeth, or just want to find a good dentist that you can start going to and get those regular checkups done, you can call Dr. Fairmoon at 949-716-7166. Brilliant Smile. They're located off Lake Forest Drive in Laguna Hills. Their website, which I did not put up there, is LagunaHillsBrilliantSmile.com. So there you have it. It's good to see you again. I hope you come by more.
Good to see you, Ken.
Maybe after your trip to Vietnam, you can bring back a report.
We'll do for sure.
Okay, great. And nice to meet you. I'm glad you're happy
I
with
just
everything.
want to throw in the office is beautiful, very
Great.
up to date.
Very good. Makes everything nice and comfortable.
Thank
Very
you.
good. All right, nice to see you again. Folks, we'll be right back. Marcia Wilson is here, so I have to get out of the chair here, and she'll bring along a guest. Be back in just a moment.